Hello beautiful people, this is your man brother Gabi. You are watching Gabi's Media Arena. Please do your boy a favor and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos and updates. So today we are on Abuakwa Tanoso road. The progress of work so far. It's been a while. I came here last time, but ever since I have not been able to come here again. So today I decided to come and check or find out the progress of work. This place, as for this place, you can see that it's already done. It is left the few touches where they will finish this part of the road. Yeah, it is left with the middle and this part where they will lay the pavement blocks for pedestrians to walk here, and the middle one where they will, let me go there and show you. Here is the middle. This is the middle one. I don't know what they will do here. Maybe they will be planting some flowers like IPT. If you are going to IPT, the way they have done that part, I think the same thing will be applicable here. Either they will plant some flowers and lawns and others. Maybe that's their plans for now. So far, they have tiled the roads. The asphaltic work has been completed, so it is left with a few touches on the other part of the road. Like I was saying, the pedestrian walkway where they will lay the pavement blocks and other things there. Yeah, and other things there. So the work is done. That is the few touches they need to do before they can hand over to the government. Yeah, let me cross the road because the way the cars are moving fast now. If I don't take care, they will knock me down. Okay, see, they are on it. They are doing everything fantastic. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, 3rd March, and I am updating you Abuakwa Tanoso road. If you are living in this part of the road of Mase, you are very familiar with traffic. This part, this is office, local office. Sidro nyumbra traffic ya wahano. Enye easy wahasi. Sidro nyumbra traffic nye easy waha. But as any ano pantin who traffic be waha. But still no any more traffic or park and come and manka won't say traffic or. Yeah. I'll be mixing with Tree and English with the tree of no buffalo from 7 years. I'll be on the block for no about the tree. I see what tree. The one to choose over I see a blofum. Yeah, like I was saying, I'll be mixing with Tree and English, so those who doesn't understand English or Tree will be able to understand both languages in their local dialects. I wish I'll be able to speak Hausa and Dagbani, Dagomba and other languages, so that I'll be explaining everything in different languages. But it's obvious I cannot do that. Only 3 languages I'll be able to speak: English, Spanish, French, and my local dialect. That's my mother's tongue. That's the only thing I can do. But I wish I'll be able to speak other